Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility. Check that your Android device supports USB OTG or Ethernet over USB-C, because that determines the adapter you'll buy. Plug the Ethernet adapter into the phone and connect the LAN cable to the router. Power the adapter via a powered USB hub if it pulls more than the phone can supply. Once done, make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi is disabled if you want a pure LAN test. This isolates the interface for troubleshooting. Next, you configure the connection so Android uses the LAN correctly. Open Settings, then Network and Internet, and look for Ethernet or USB tethering entries. Android often assigns DHCP automatically, which is why you start there. If DHCP fails, switch to a static IP and enter the IP address, gateway, DNS servers, and prefix length. This forces routing and can fix double NAT issues. Make sure to check advanced details like link speed or duplex to confirm the physical link is healthy. Finally, validate the setup by opening a browser or using a ping app to confirm DNS resolution and reachability. Try a large file download to ensure throughput and stability. If the connection drops, replug the adapter, reboot the router, or reset Android network settings to clear stale routes. One key troubleshooting tip: swap the Ethernet cable, adapter, or another phone. This isolates whether the fault is the cable, adapter, or device, and prevents chasing software fixes when hardware is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.